Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention, watch this entire video. In this short video, you're going to learn how to become a top earner in any network marketing opportunity using the internet without recruiting friends and family and total strangers, without doing home meetings and hotel events. This is the approach that I have used to go from ground zero to create a six-figure income, hit my first $30,000 a month, take my business beyond that. Going to get to the training in just a moment. At any point, click the link below this video, enter your email address, get my online recruiting video boot camp. You'll get trainings from me, where to go, what to do, how to do it, how to build a very large, successful network marketing business online. Right on that page, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook, best training guide, bar none, how to grow your business using the internet. Step one, build a list. By list, I mean generate leads, have a list of leads. You must generate leads. Leads that you generate will convert much more effectively into sales and signups than leads that you buy. Your list of leads is an asset. If you want to join a new network marketing opportunity, you can't take your downline with you. Most companies forbid that, but when you have your own list, you can promote your next opportunity to your list. If anything changes, the comp plan changes, management goes in a new direction, you want to make a change to a new company, you're good. This is an asset. Now, in order to effectively recruit and sponsor, you must do step two, warm your list. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. Cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale. Do this by sending short marketing and business tips to your audience via email. This could be links to a blog post or short videos you've created or live streams, whatever format's the right fit for you. Don't worry, you don't need to originate this content. Just be the messenger. Just summarize a little bit of what you've learned elsewhere on webinars, from courses you've gone through, from videos you've watched. Just be the messenger. This is what teachers do all around the world. Very few of them have actually written the textbook. They're just summarizing what's in the textbook, right? That's all you need to do. When you've done this, you have a warm audience. Now you move on to step three, sell to your list. Recruit them into your opportunity or sell them an affiliate offer or whatever offer you want to sell them. This is the strategy that I followed to recruit over 200 people into one program, hit my first $30,000 a month, take my business beyond that, become a top producer in that opportunity. Got a whole lot more training for you. Click the link below this video, enter your email address. Get my online recruiting video boot camp. You'll get daily video trainings from me that will teach you where to go, what to do, how to generate leads, how to recruit online, what to do if you don't get support from your upline, all sorts of tactical training. Right on that page after you enter your email address, make sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. This is my number one recommendation for training for network marketers to build online. This guidebook is so thorough, it's borderline absurd. It goes through everything you need to know to crush it in network marketing. This strategy is proven. It's a strategy I have used, again, to hit my first $30,000 a month and create a multiple six-figure income. The author, Fernie Ceballos, is an MIT alum. He's done eight figures, an eight-figure earner, not just seven figures, actually an eight-figure income earner. This guy's basically a marketing genius. Get this guide. Click the link into your email address. Get trained.